Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to talk about the issuing of tickets via the camera system in Jamaica. So basically, if you run a red light, the camera will take a picture of you running a red light and issue a ticket. Okay, so the remote detection of traffic offenses using cameras and other electronic devices will now be allowed under the new road traffic regulations, which were approved in the House of Representatives on July 5th, 2022. The legislation also provides for the issuing of traffic tickets for such offenses via electronic means. So basically, for a very long time, we have heard about this system, and in 2018, the Road Traffic Act passed in 2018, and everybody thought under the 2018 Act they would be able to issue tickets via the camera. I think even the government thought they could issue the tickets. However, after the 2018 Act was passed and it was actually signed, the Governor General's assent was given in December 2018. It was realized by the technical team in the ministry. This is the quote. Consequent on the passage into law, the technical team in the ministry, whilst carrying out further review of the road traffic regulations, identified the areas needing amendment. So basically, the 2018 Act did not provide for the issuing of tickets via remote detection, or more simply, they couldn't issue the tickets for people via the camera footage. So an amendment was done, and very surprisingly, it took 4 years, because in December 2018, the Road Traffic Act of 2018, which was supposed to have the laws in it to allow for such a system, was passed December 2018. And then it took until July 5th, 2022 for the new amendments basically to be passed. And it's passed in the House of Representatives. It was approved. So now it has to go to the Senate, but there shouldn't be any major changes to the bill or the amendment, and then the Governor General signs it into law. So as you've seen from the videos that we've put up, there is a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. A lot. And basically, the best way to curb the indiscipline is to use the cameras, to use the technology available. Now, this technology is not anything new. It might be new in Jamaica, or it's the first time it's going to be used in Jamaica, but this technology, and when we say technology, we mean taking a picture of the car going through the red light, just as an example, and then issuing a ticket to whoever the car is registered to. That technology is being used all over the world. I'm not very sure why it took Jamaica so long, but it's on its way to becoming law now, and it's needed, definitely needed. So the way it will work now is you run a red light, the camera records you running the red light, and it takes a picture of the license plate. And whoever that car is registered to, now it doesn't necessarily mean the person driving the car is going to get the ticket. Whoever the car is registered to will receive a ticket. And if that ticket is not paid, the person cannot do any activity at the tax office, read the car until it's paid. So you can't license the car, nothing like that. So it's a very good system, and it's needed. It's definitely needed. There is so much indiscipline on the roads. And the reason for it is one, you don't have a lot of, well, I shouldn't say you don't have a lot of police, but the the cameras can be at more places, so it's much easier to use the cameras to detect these traffic offenses. And with this system, you can store the footage. So let's say I get a ticket. I didn't know I got the ticket because I wasn't the person driving the car. Or let's say I lent my car to somebody and they ran a red light. And they didn't say anything about it, and I go to license my car, and then I realize that there's a ticket outstanding, and I knew nothing about it. The system will allow the video footage to be stored. So if I was going to contest it, they could just easily bring up the video footage, and there you have it, all the evidence you need if you're going to court. So this is definitely a step in the right direction. Okay, now the Prime Minister commented on this new system, and he said, "The Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, has welcomed the passage of the new road traffic regulations in the House of Representatives on July 5th. This is a milestone achievement for the government and for Jamaica. It is a big step forward in ensuring not just safety on the roads, but public order in general." And that was what the Prime Minister said. So basically, the government is trying. We have to give them credit. They're definitely trying to bring law and order back onto the roads, because definitely things have gotten out of control. And ironically, June is being observed, or June last year month was Road Safety Awareness Month under the theme Road Safety for Life. And other ministers have commented on the indiscipline on the roads. One said, "Indiscipline on the roads must be treated as a national emergency." Another one said, "No society can prosper with drivers operating without due regard for traffic rules." So it's definitely a step in the right direction, and I'm hoping that these new laws will come into effect before the end of the year. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, tell us what you think about this new system. You can leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.